Okay, this is quite an exciting moment for me. This is the Google Pixel Watch 2 unboxing. Since the unboxing is rather a plain Jane affair, I'm going to have to embellish it with some talking. So in a previous post, I've tried to labour the point that in today's world, it's not just the phone, but the phone and the watch combination that's important. So if you're not a great phone user, and if you don't have a smartwatch or you're not interested in wearing a watch, then I think you better stop watching the video right now. But if you are interested in taking this forward, we're going to do the unboxing and then I'm going to ramble on a little bit more. So let me have a little look. Like I say, this box has been waiting all day. I've been so busy not being able to open it. And okay. I think Google might be about to defeat me. It's not opening. Hang on. Okay, so there's a gap there. There's a gap there. There's a gap there. There's a gap here. Okay, so is it true that the edge down here has got some sort of edge that I need to... Come on, don't make a fool out of me, Google. Right, I'm just trying to put a knife down here. And if one does have to return this, right. Is that enough? Come on, don't make a fool out of me, box. No. Do you think I've got a dummy version or something? Hang on a minute. Maybe it needs more knifing. Hang on. Ah, dear me. Yes. Okay, so Dumbo has now finally taken out the box from the shell. And, it's some kind of like experience. Very good. Okay, so here is the experience. Now this is the, doesn't say anywhere. Well, it doesn't say, but I've ordered only the LTE version, the two versions of the watch. There's the, so there's a Wi-Fi version and the LTE version. The Wi-Fi only version doesn't have a SIM card or an eSIM. And in the UK, because our telecom providers are steadfastly trying not to implement eSIMs anywhere, or only in a very restricted fashion, to me it doesn't make any sense to buy the eSIM version of the watch. So this is the non-eSIM version of the watch. Also, sadly, British people will understand my pain when I say that the price of the watch in the UK is the same as the dollar price in the US. So it's about £350 in the UK for the standard model and £399 for the eSIM version. I've ordered the black watch because I always order black, because black ages better than other colours. It's got a lovely little cover here. Let's take that off. And what I always do with these products is I don't tend to use them initially. I just charge them up, come back the next day, and so it's past midnight and I will be charging this to watch. What else have we got? We've got another watch strap, and I do understand that there are two different sizes of strap. So that's the other size of strap. And in here, what have we got? We've got a booklet of some kind. Oh yeah, it's safety guide. Very good. Yep, don't electrocute yourself. Don't kill yourself with 5 volts or less. 50 amps of current. And we've got a dock cable. So rather like the Apple Watch Ultra, this comes with a puck to charge. And like all good resellers, or people that return stuff in very good condition, should it not work out, I'm going to attempt to take this out without busting it. How am I doing? Employ some sort of like ninja to put this into there. I'm not going to be outdone. We're going to take this out. So here's the empty box now. It's got the strap in it, but I don't need that. Let's get this little baby out, shall we? I know my unboxing. Oh, oh. It might have beaten me here. Do you know it might be sticky? You know it's sticky? No, they've completely got me on this one. Mr. Leatherman, what are you going to tell me? Finally. Okay, so in principle we've got two components. We've got the watch and we've got the Mr. Charging puck. So it's there. So I want to say a few things about the watch and my level of expectation. So this is a £350 watch. And on my left wrist, I have got my main watch, which is a Apple Watch Ultra 2 as it goes. And this is close to £1,000. So do I have an expectation that this watch here is going to match up with this watch here? Not really. And I think that is one of the principal faux pas I think Google have made. I think Google, if you're going to be spending about £1,000 in the UK, on a Pixel 8 Pro, don't forget I believe it's the combination that's important, not just the individual devices, then if you can certainly afford to spend more than the 350 here. So I feel that Google should have had a Pro model and a regular model. Secondly, this watch, if you look at the diameter of this screen, is not all LCD, whereas this is an LCD that goes from edge to edge. And so the amount of text that can be displayed on the screen is minimal compared with the Apple Watch. Another point is that this is a rounded screen, which looks nice, but from a I'm going to get scratched and damaged point of view is very bad. And again, this is a bezel that sticks out. So if you're an active person and you're not just walking down the high street for all of your life and you actually go out running or climbing, or you're an active person in general, this has all the hallmarks of something that's going to get bashed up. So I'm not a fan. Although aesthetically it's quite nice, I actually think the aesthetics of this watch are superior. So I have reduced expectations for the Pixel Watch 2. I understand it's in several ways improved over the Pixel Watch 1. Noticeably the faster processor, the better heart rate monitoring sensors here, and the better software. So I think it has some promise, but I think it's going to be pale in comparison with the ease of use and powerful nature of the Apple Watch Ultra and Ultra 2. And I don't think either watch, neither the Apple nor the Google, will ever compete meaningfully with a dedicated sports watch. So if you're wearing something like a Garmin, I think you have a whole different level of athletic watch. And so neither of these watches will compete in that marketplace, but could so easily do so, but they choose not to for reasons that I have failed to yet understand. So that's my rambling unbox and small commentary on the Pixel 2 watch. We're going to give it a go as a companion product to the Pixel 8 Pro smartphone. Thanks for watching, darling.